We have made it to the campsite and barely got into our site. It was quite crazy, but we're here. We're all set up, and then it started to rain. So it is raining right now outside, but it is a really nice gentle rain, so it's actually kind of pretty. So I don't know what time it is. It's probably about 8:30, almost 9 o'clock. So I'm going to grab my book and probably do a little reading and then go to bed. Good night. Good morning. So it is a beautiful autumn day here today. Last night when we came in, I can't remember what I recorded, but we came in after dark and somehow or another got our camper into the site. So we're all set up now. It's almost 10 o'clock in the morning already, and we're going to go to an apple orchard, which should be fun. So here is the camper, all set up in our site. We don't even have our chairs out yet. Remember if I had ever given you a tour of the camper itself. And I don't know if I have, and if I have, it's been a really long time. So I thought I would do that real quick because I have the camper to myself. The lighting's probably not going to be great, but we'll see what we can do. So I'm standing in the doorway here, and when you can't walk in to the living room space, you got the couch and the TV and the fireplace. And of course, it's going to be messy. Just bear with me. And then on the other side over here is the kitchen space. Over here, which is really nice. Nice big counter. And then we have a loft here that sleeps two people. There's one single bed there and one single bed there. So then after that is the outside area, or the toy hauler area, which has a sliding glass door here, you can see. And then it sleeps four in here. The beds right here go across, and then there's another bed up top, up there, that comes down. So you got like bunk beds. And then out the end of that is the ramp that converts into a little porch area. And as you can see, we got the four-wheeler sitting out there. So when all this inside is put away, the four-wheeler can come in. And then we've got cabinets up top, another TV, more cabinets. And then there's a teeny tiny bathroom right there, and then another exit door. So that's the back side of the camper. So then we go this way, and this goes up into the master bedroom, which first is the bathroom. And a nice big bathroom, big shower, big vanity area, and the toilet itself right there. And then there's a little door that goes into the master bedroom as well. But we'll go this way. And here's the master bedroom. I haven't made my bed today, obviously. It's got a king-size bed, closets, closets, closet. This one has hookups for washer dryer, but of course we don't have that. And we got a nice big window, and then a little set of drawers with a nice big countertop, which is nice and dirty right now. But I love this view. Look at that view, you guys. It's just gorgeous outside today. So that's what the camper looks like, if you've ever wondered. In a little bit here, we're going to head out for the apple orchard. It sounds like there's a big group of people going to that. So that should be fun, hopefully. I'm not sure. I haven't been to an apple orchard in a really long time. So we shall see how that turns out, and I'll check in with you later. So we're at the apple orchard. Oh my gosh. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
We're super excited. Super excited. It's called the Happy Earth Orchard. I believe it's in, I don't know what town we're in. I think we're near Ellsworth, Wisconsin. I'm not real sure. But it looks like a cute little place. People are coming out with wagonfuls of apples. So we're done at the apple place. Now we're headed to the cheese factory. Right?
Apples and cheese, baby.
Apples and cheese. All right, so we are here at the Ellsworth Cheese Company. They seriously have the best cheese curds ever. Look, Carmen, I got you with the cheese curd sign. There you go. Smile at the camera. Woohoo! helping shelf. Carmen, they got more donuts here. They got more donuts. I see donuts.
This is all the cheeses.
It is the cheese factory.
More donuts.
There's beer too. This car. Nice.
Oh, that's
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Original
Nice and hot. Watch it.
cheese curds. Yummy.
I know that they're that great in the ranch.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm.
No, that's good. I am. How much
Oh,
is
yeah.
that making that on?
No, that's cheese curd. Back at the camper now, and I thought maybe you might like to see what we picked out on our outing today. So I'm going to turn the camera around, show you what we picked up. Alright, so here's the loot for today when we went to both the cheese factory and the apple orchard. We'll start with the apple orchard. We've only picked up an apple pie. We also picked up some apple cider donuts, but we shared those with the group while we were there, and they were delicious. Like melt in your mouth, super tender donuts. So yummy. And then we went to the cheese factory, which is in Ellsworth, Wisconsin. And we picked up these grilled cheese and tomato soup, cheese flavored curls. Picked up a thing of, what is this? Munster cheese. Colby Jack, my favorite. This is hubby's favorite. And then we tried apple cinnamon jack cheese. I don't know, we shall see. Then, of course, we had to get some cheese curds. We got regular cheese curds. We got bacon cheese curds. And then these are, what are these? I think this is taco. And then this little package is, what is it called? Pizza. This one's pizza. And this one's taco. And then we got this right here. It's so hard to see. But it is chocolate cheddar cheese. Apparently it tastes like fudge. I'm not so sure about that, but we'll give that a try. Then I picked up some pure maple syrup. We picked up some pickles. And we picked up Nan's Naughty and Nice Bloody Mary mix. So there's our loot for today. Good morning there. So it's our last day at the campground. It's Sunday morning and it's a little past 8 o'clock. I've been up for a little while and kind of slowly starting to pack things up. Most of what will happen today is packing up the camper and then, traveling back home and stuff. So not very exciting, so I probably won't vlog anymore today. But I just wanted to thank you for stopping by and checking out our little camping trip for the weekend. We had so much fun. It was a very enjoyable experience with a couple little field trips, which was nice, to the cheese factory and the apple farm. So that was kind of fun. And then, of course, we had a lot of downtime, and I got in quite a few little naps, which was awesome. So I had a very fun time, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching along with us. So hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye now.